Today, our objective states that I can divide with zeros in the quotient. So, let's get started. I have already set up my problem. I have my dividend here, I have my divisor here. I have already filled out my tic-tac-toe with my count bys, my multiples of 9, and I have my steps written over here. First, I will look at my largest place value digit in the dividend, which is a 9, and I will say to myself, can I divide 9 into 9? Or if I have 9 brownies, can I share them evenly? Can I divide them evenly with my 9 friends? And I think I can. I look over in my tic-tac-toe, and look, here's a 9 in the first box. So I know that I can divide 9 into 9 one time. So I will put a 1 above the 9 in my quotient. My next step after I divide is to multiply. So I will multiply 9 times 1. 9 times 1, which is 9. So I will put that right here. And then I will subtract, which is my third step. That's listed over here. 9 minus 9 is 0. And then my fourth step is to check. So is 0 less than my divisor 9? Yes, it is. So I will check. And then I will bring down this digit here, which is a 9. And then I'll bring down these other digits as well. Okay, then I look at my number that I have here that I still need to divide out into 9 groups. And, I've already brought down, so I need to repeat my steps because I still have numbers to divide. So I'll look at my first digit here. This first digit tells me that I need to divide 9 into 9 groups, and I can do that because we've done it already, and I know that I can divide 9 into 9 one time evenly. So I will put a 1 up in here. Then I will do my next step after I divide, which is to multiply. So this one I just wrote down times 9 equals 9. So I'll write that here. 9 minus 9 is 0. Then I will bring down my 5 and my 4. Now this is a tricky part that could confuse you. I just brought down my 54, and you know what, I did forget to check from before when I subtracted. That should just be the 0 there. The 0 is less than 9, so I needed to check that, and then I could bring those numbers down. So then this is where it could get tricky. Since I brought down a 5, I'll look at that one first. I brought down the 5, and 5 is less than 9, and I wouldn't be able to divide 5 evenly into 9 groups, or I wouldn't be able to share 5 brownies with my 9 friends, so they all wouldn't get one. And because of that, I need to use this 4. Since that's the case, since I have to use both digits, it's showing a ones place digit and a tens place digit. So I need to put a placeholder up in my quotient. I do that because I brought down the 5 in my tens place, and I can't divide 5 evenly into 9 groups, so I need to use the second digit. So I need a placeholder for that up in my quotient. So I just continue with my steps after I bring down and after I've carried that 0 into my quotient. Now I need to look for a number that I can divide 54 into 9 groups, and how many would be in each group. So I look over in my tic-tac-toe, and there is a perfect 54 over here, and I know that's in the 6th box. So that means I can divide 54 into 9 groups 6 times. So I'll put a 6 there, and then I need to multiply 6 times 9, which is 54. So I'll put my answer here, and I will subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0, and then 5 minus 5 is 0. And 0 is definitely less than 9, so I'll check that. And it doesn't look like I have any other digits to bring down. I don't have a remainder since I have zeros down there. And that tells me that my quotient is 1,106. All right, I'm ready to check my answer. I'm going to check to see if this quotient is the right answer. So I have already written in my scaffolding here in this pink color, which tells me that 1,106 should be written here. So I will do that. 1,106. And I have a small circle here, and I know I need to write my divisor in there. Now when I multiply this out, I hope that my answer, or my product right here, will be the same answer as my dividend that I had originally. So let's try it out and see what we get. Let's see, 9 times 6 is 54. So I'll carry my 5 and I'll bring my 4 down here. 9 times 0 is 0, but I need to add this 5 into that, so 0 plus 5 is 5. 9 times 1 is 9, and then 9 times this 1 in the thousands place is also 9. So I have my product here, 9,954, and let's look up here. Hey, it matches. So I know that this is the correct answer, 1,106. Now that you've seen me solve a problem, a division problem with a 0 in the quotient, using the standard algorithm, the digit by digit method, I would like you to try these 4 problems on your own. And I can guarantee that there will be a 0 or more zeros in the quotient. So make sure you're taking your time, doing your tic-tac-toes, and also checking your work with the inverse. Good luck!